Oh, what the fuck is up, you filthy goons? Filthy animals? Cheers, man. We getting our cafe bustelo, our caffeine addiction taken care of this morning. King size, black, raw. Shout out to Raw, shout out to Josh. Garden tip with it. Off the garden tip, dude. And we just feeling good this morning. We blessed, we alive, we made it. Shout out to us. We woke up. Shout out to Big God. We smoking good. Other than Debo, my dog, man, he limping, man. He did something to his hamstring. We getting old around here, man. He 30, I'm 30. So other than that, I iced him last night. Took good care of him, so he recovering. But other than that, blessed. It's gonna be a good day. It's titty day. An opportunity to grow these boobies. It's getting warm out. And I got something for y'all today, man. I'm kind of excited. Shout out to all my fucking nerds, man. It's our time to shine, baby. YoungLA just dropped the YuGiOh collab, man. Some in the pot of greed. Got lucky. We got us an order. By the time I got on the website, the fucking savages had already ramshacked the whole website, but we waiting on that, man. Every time I hear a car go by, I feel like a fucking crackhead, like a drug dealer waiting by the window for that pack to... here today, and that's gonna be our the base, the foundation of the gym outfit for today, man. I think it's gonna be a good day. You can just feel it. We ain't gonna hype it up though, cause we ain't gonna jinx it, but we just know it's gonna be a good day. What's up, you fucking goons? So good day so far. We called it, fellas. Got some cheeks this morning.
Y'all know what's going on, and so do I.
Got the crib cleaned up. Update on the package. It's currently 1:54 Eastern Standard Time, face ass nigga. And it said it should be here by 2:15. So we sliding to Wally World, sliding to Walmart. Gonna grab some wife lovers. I don't know what's up with y'all paying these egregious prices for wife beaters, man. Go to Walmart, go to Target. Get you some Hanes, some Fruity Looms. Call it a day, bro. $30 for one is insane. So we finna go pick up probably some white and some black wife lovers. And hopefully by the time we get on back, that pack should be secured. So man, that's what we on right now. We're gonna holler at y'all in a minute. I ain't even gonna hold you, bro. And it's nice material too. Hey, why you bullshitting, bro? Don't sleep on Walmart drip, bro. Ain't about where you buy it from, it's about how you put that shit on, you feel me? That's real life. Stop smoking so much, bro. Damn, I know it was something else I'm supposed to come in here for. Had to get some meat. Ours. No diddy. Diddy.
Yo, what the fuck?
Gotta get some meat, cause sometime be here before you know it, boy. So we gotta get some chicken breasts. Got some at the crib. We're gonna get some unthawed, big ass pack. Cook that shit on the grill today. Excuse me, love. And kind of do somewhat of a meal prep. So we gotta do that. Summertime some clothes. I really wish they had big fat ass packs. Don't. That was a complete fucking fail. Mailman has not arrived yet, so we're gonna go try on our wife lovers. See how they fitting. Think about what we're gonna wear, cause that's gonna help out with this video a whole lot. And yeah, get rolling up. Request, gave the mailman some more time. Gotta go pick up some cash real quick. Anywho, we got eyes on the mailman, bro. He got that pack on him. That's good shit. And it's my man's too. I see him. Yo, I'm kind of excited. The pack has finally touched down. Shout out to YoungLA. So we finna go hit a titty day. They did the YuGiOh collab. Shout out to my nerds. It's our time to shine, man. Let's unwrap this fucker. Man, this is a dope design, I'm not gonna lie. Got a dark magician on the back, slightly cropped, oversized. I couldn't wait for this shirt to get here, man. I love an oversized pump cover for it. Let's do another one. I'm feeling spicy.
It's a game over and there's no replay. For you there is no goal. Trying to play me like a video game, but you're not in control.
What the fuck going on, y'all? Damn, I be so aggressive with the come in. Yeah, man, what's going on, y'all? We back from the gym. Repping it. I ain't never been this excited for a piece of clothing. I've never been this excited for an article of clothing in my life. The anticipation definitely played a factor in that. And yeah, man, it's a dope shirt, bro. I'm a little biased. I love anything that's oversized, especially for the gym. Oversized is just in style right now, bro. The oversized look, especially in the gym community. The girls, they come in, they get their money with their oversized shirts and their shorts. Guys, you know, gotta love a pump cover, man. So saying all that jazz to say, this is a good shirt, man. Well worth the money, the anticipation, the feeling of being exclusive, because everybody didn't get it on that first drop. That's cool. You know, I love the marketing. YoungLA, they got some great people behind their brand. It's a good shirt, man. It's oversized, it's comfy, it's heavyweight. Hey, man, mission complete. Mission fucking complete, if I were to say so myself. So let's roll us up one, and I feel like it ain't enough hours in the day. I feel like it just, no matter how fast you just moving, it just ain't never enough. The hours just catch up. So we gonna roll us up creaseless on them hoes, a creaseless raw 300. I've been on combs heavy lately, bro. Not stuffing combs. That's for NPCs. I like to roll my own and get personal with my smoke. You feel me? Gonna roll us up one. Kick it, man. That's gonna be it. The plan was to get on the grill when I got back, but I got back, had to make a couple runs, and it's just like time just slipped away. Almost damn near. Had to take some pictures. in the merch. And like I said, it just felt like time just slipped away. So that was our day. Who knows how shit get. Be hungry as hell after working out all day. You never know what you might get into, so we might end up grilling that chicken on some late night type shit, some dubious vigilante type activities. But man, that's it. Shout out to YoungLA. I would love to get a YoungLA sponsor or just be a brand ambassador and get some of these dope ass clothes, man. So run the likes up. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok. Let's run these numbers up together as a unit. And shout out to YoungLA, man. I like what y'all doing, bro. It's a lot of controversy with YoungLA though. But one thing I didn't learn with business, bro, be business at the end of the day, man. I know Bradley and they got their whole little thing or whatever, but for somebody who's never purchased anything from them, first impression, I like it. I would love for them to do a YuGiOh collab. That would be dope. YuGiOh would be really dope, man. But I hope they keep the anime thing going. Love the Goals collab. Man, that first smoke after the gym just be everything. I just been, ever since I left the gym, I just been gripping and running. But man, shout out to YoungLA again. I would love to be a brand ambassador. If y'all would love to have me as shout out to Self Care Clarissa, shout out to her. Anywho, shout out to her, man. I like she be putting on for the stoners, man. They be getting their gains and shit. That's what I want this channel to be. I done said it before. This channel's gonna be for the stoners that get shit done. We look good, we get our gains, and we just are just glowing lights, just good balls of energy. So, guess I'm finna edit some footage, man, eat some chicken, and call it a fucking night, man. Again, I appreciate every single last one of y'all that watch these videos, bro, these vlogs. We finna do some challenges soon. Put in the comments what kind of challenges y'all wanna see. What other type of content y'all wanna see a young nigga do. Damn, I'm not a young nigga no more. I'm considered a big bro, I'm 30. Comment below, man, what you wanna see on the channel, bro. What you wanna see, weed challenges, you wanna see food challenges, workout challenges, the Rich Piana 8-hour arm day, what y'all wanna do? We down for whatever over here, man. We go with the flow and we ain't scared. This heart don't pump no Kool-Aid, nigga. So man, shout out to y'all, appreciate y'all. Share, subscribe, comment, all that good shit. And till next time, man, you filthy fucking animals, man. All that shit.